This is the very first look ever on video of Nepenthes veitchii lowii cross mirror. This plant's in a 12-inch pot, and as you can see it has 4 intermediate pitchers on it. Currently no lower pitchers to show you. You can see they're intermediate from the twirl or semi-twirl in the tendril. Let's have a look. Starting to bend, and the pitcher is facing away from the tendril with vestigial wings. So that's classic intermediate structure. The shape of the pitcher is quite funnel shaped. You can see that on this one here. That will be the influence of Nepenthes lowii. And the peristome is quite broad. Once again, that will be the influence of one of the parents, which will be Nepenthes veitchii. We're quite looking forward to seeing uppers on this actually. We think that uppers will be very interesting, considerably more flared we suspect. So that's the very first look at Nepenthes veitchii lowii cross mirror.